I'm myself a workaholic person. काम करते रहना चाहिए, move on करते रहना चाहिए. I've never given a thought कि अच्छा मैंने ये कर लिया, ये अब थोड़ी देर बैठ जाती हूँ या छुट्टी मना लेती हूँ. I'm not like that. I like what's next. I'm always curious what is next. Adventure kind of a attitude. Okay, अब कुछ नया करना है करके. So realize नहीं हुआ, television भी कर लिया, film भी कर लिया, आप theater में भी आ गई हो. So it's amazing as a person. There is a personal growth. Also as an actor, there is a different kind of a growth that I've seen, and I think the kind of field I am in, it is, it is glamorous, but I think people who are associated with the glamour industry, they are even more simple and sober.
મિસિસ મારા ઓનલાઈન છે. જી હા, મિસિસ મારા બે એરિયા में છે. Rashmi Desai is right here with us, the pride of Gujarat, the girl who is known to be the soap queen, the girl who is known for her Bollywood films, for her soaps, for her reality shows and whatnot. And of course, she's a dancing star as well. Welcome, Rashmi Desai, to Yo India TV with me, Jasleen. How is your feel here in the San Francisco Bay Area?
But it's amazing. This is my first visit to San Francisco, to the Bay Area, and I'm hardly here for a few hours for my show. Mrs. Mara Online theatre Gujarati play here, and very very surprised to see the community that we have here in USA. सब घुल मिल के रहते हैं, and not even once I felt that I'm not in my country. Everybody is so well connected, and it is again I feel very proud when I perform in front of them, and the kind of love that I'm getting is amazing.
Rashmi is looking crazy gorgeous, so let's welcome Hansa.
તો રજૂ કર્યું મનપસંદ લિંક ભાવના મોદી રંગમંચ પ્રોડક્શન અને આસિફ પટેલ દ્વારા નિર્મિત મિસિસ મારા ઓનલાઈન છે.
So 25 shows have already been done, New York, Richmond and a few other cities. They've really loved Mrs. Mara Online Che, and Javanika Entertainments by Jagruti Desai Shah is bringing Mrs. Mara Online Che to Santa Clara Convention Center tomorrow on Friday, April 3rd, and you are already here. So how's the response so far?
Response has been very very amazing. It's actually very overwhelming, more than what I've expected. We completed more than 130 episodes. I don't have the actual count, but what I know is 130 shows we've completed in India, and here we are going to complete our 25th show in USA, which is surprising to me. And it's my first theatrical play. I've never been part of theatre industry before, but the kind of love that I'm getting, it's very overwhelming. I have never expected my first visit to USA for the work. I've been to US before also, but first time getting this response was amazing. I feel more than I've been doing this play more than a year. But the kind of response that I got in India और यहाँ पे जो मिल रहा है ना, it is very different. Here people are crying with us, they are laughing with us, they are showing their emotion, even sitting in the audience. So I feel very nice and happy that we are able to serve what they actually deserve. That 2 hours, 3 hours of their life is very important to us.
Wow. And that's how it is going to be 40 shows in 45 days and about 25 shows already done. 20 more to go. And I'm so excited for the Bay Area show.
કમેન્ટ આવી છે એ કહે છે કે મારા દીકરાને બરાબરનો પાઠ ભણાવજો.
will not, oh my god, oh papa, I not. मेरा मम्मी तो मेरा फॉलोवर निकल गया रे. मेरा क्या होगा रे काड़िया?
I'm really excited about your journey as well. You should tell us like how you actually got into acting, because I've never seen someone doing so many soaps and getting a national award for the Bhojpuri movie, your film. And I'll read the name for the audience, those who don't know. Kab Hoi Gauna Hamar. That film won the national award for the best feature film in Bhojpuri as well. So how did the journey start, and how did you get from Assamese to Bollywood to Bhojpuri?
I started my career with the Bhojpuri film because I was studying and it was very difficult for me. I come from a family where education is very, very important. So in our community, Desais, all females are very well educated. So they don't ask you that कि खाना पीना कैसे बनाना आता है रहना है. They ask the female that what have you studied, the knowledge that she gathers and given by the parents, and then it's all about just a couple grow karta hai. So this was the basic idea I had, that I also have to follow this. My mother was a teacher, but due to certain circumstances I started at a very young age. I started working, and that was my first film, Kab Hoi Gauna Hamar. That got national award, and that's how my work life journey also started. I didn't know that I'll come this so far, and never looked back. Actually, I'm myself a workaholic person. काम करते रहना चाहिए, move on करते रहना चाहिए. I've never given a thought कि अच्छा मैंने ये कर लिया, ये अब थोड़ी देर बैठ जाती हूँ या छुट्टी मना लेती हूँ. I'm not like that. I like what's next. I'm always curious what is next. Adventure kind of a attitude. Okay, अब कुछ नया करना है करके. So realize नहीं हुआ, television भी कर लिया, film भी कर लिया, आप theater में भी आ गई हो. So it's amazing as a person. There is a personal growth. Also as an actor, there is a different kind of a growth that I've seen, and I think the kind of field I am in, it is glamorous, but I think people who are associated with the glamour industry, they are even more simple and sober. They're very calm and they're not chaotic at all. So it's very opposite to what you see on the screen and behind the camera. So I love my job.
How was your experience in Dabangg 2? I know it's a Salman Khan movie, so got to ask you about your special appearance.
Oh, it is amazing. I can't tell you. I was surprised actually. So first time I was performing in front of him on the channel that my show used to come, Colors. जिस चैनल पे मेरा शो आता था, उस पर एक reality show आता था. I forgot the name of that show. So it was a surprise gift the Dabang was releasing and Munni Badna movie was also very hit that time. So I was the one who was performing it. It was a surprise for Salman sir. That's how I got connected. And that is the reason he said, no, she has to be part of Dabang 2. तो song में उन्होंने एक छोटी सी clip है मेरी where I'm with Sonakshi and I'm getting married and he's coming. And those and उसके बाद I've done one ad also with him, wheel का ad. So it's amazing. I can't describe कि कैसा लगता है because I look up to him. I still remember when I met him and I was a very different, fearless kind of attitude. Everybody calls him bhai. I said, I'm not going to call you bhai. I've dreamt about you and you're my hero. I can't call you bhai. And also he started laughing. He said, don't worry. What will you call me? I said, sir, it's fine. But bhai to nahi bulaogi. So he was laughing at me. The most humble person I've met. जो जितनी ऊंचाई पे जाता है ना तो उनको ऐसा होता है कि लोगों से कट लो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. They need space, but I've realized that he's very cultured and at the same time he's a very humble and very giving kind of a nature that he has, and everyone knows about it. The world knows about it. Now there's this one clip is going viral जो लोग कहानी बताते that Salman sir gave the bone marrow to a 5-year-old child, and now that clip is getting viral due to social media. So yeah, of course he is a fantastic human that I've met.
कल मिले हाय कल मिले हमको भूल गए आज रे हाय दगाबाज रे.
नया व्हील ग्रीन पर इसमें है नींबू की शक्ति और मोगरे की खुशबू. हाय हाय हाय
And how was it overall for you in the Big Boss reality show?
It was a very different and a difficult journey that I had. I won't lie. Yeah, they give preferences to the contestant and the people who give the content, but they have their preferences. But it's a different show. You know, you get to learn. There is a personal growth that you go through, and also during that show I also realized that, you know, it's no one is criminal who's being part of that show. People who are watching as an audience, I really want to tell you guys, don't be so harsh and brutal with the contestant. It is a very difficult show to be part of, and also जिस तरह से ट्रोलिंग करती है वो भी मत गया करो, because you have no idea one is going through what. So be kind to and empathetic towards each other, and once the show is over, their real life is very different than what you see them on the screen. So be kind to the contestant also after that. And yeah, I had a great difficult journey, I won't lie, but I also had a very personal shift and changes in my personal life, and I was very happy that maybe I think so it was in my destiny. अगर वो show नहीं करती तो पता नहीं क्या होता. Good I did that show.
बैठोगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
एक अलग ही सिद्धार्थ देखने मिल रहा है कैप्टनसी में मुझे. और जितना प्यार से वो मुझे अभी देख रहा है. क्या देख रहे हो? इतना प्यार से देखोगे. लग रहा है शीशे में मैं अपने आप को देख रही हूँ.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है?
क्या करके?
अपने आप को देख के.
बहुत.
तुम मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो.
बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो.
दर्द महसूस हो रहा है?
बहुत सी और चीज़ें महसूस हो रही हैं.
बट जब कोई भी बंदा वहाँ से आउट होता है, उस बिग हाउस से बाहर जाता है, तो आई थिंक देयर इज अ बिग ड्रामा एंड personally people feel bad also.
That is the reason I requested. I was like, no one is criminal, you know, no one is coming from that kind of a background. Of course, you have a question, you're valid to ask, but be kind and be empathetic too. Now the social media has no limitation. The problem is with that. Even the kids can, you know, the kids actually troll a lot. I have seen age group of 10 to 25 aggressively working on the social media, and they have their liking and preferences, and clearly they create and they actually work, which is fabulous because they are working for you. They want to entertain you, they want to give you that lightness and amazing, they want to make you feel good. They don't know you, the distance between the sitting in front of the TV and the other side of the world is very different. But when you're watching any reality show, Big Boss is a very controversial show itself. So anybody who comes out, you have no idea what is their journey, what they are going through. So they have their own story. If you don't know, but just be a little empathetic and respectful and don't cross the line, because मैंने ये show के through I have seen that they don't have the limitation. They'll drag their family, their loved ones, they'll create a lot of things. Humans are bound to make mistake, and that's how they learn in life. So the audience also need to understand that nothing is permanent. So just be kind and empathetic.
So true. And I think people of that age are very young in their life. They're still learning and they don't know.
A lot to learn.
They are not mature.
Non-mature, the immaturity is also very important, because the child inside you is also, it needs a respect. Even at the age of XYZ, you need to be, mature, but there has to be adventurous kid in you. But there is always a respectful line that one should not cross. And more important, when one person is doing a mistake, that there are 10 people to tell you, you did this, you did that, you should have done this. Darling, you are also learning from their mistakes. Don't try and become, something that you, uski life ka ek experience, it's his or her journey. So be kind and empathetic. And कोई गलती करता है ना, तो हम भी उनकी गलतियों से सीखते ही हैं, ना कि okay उसमें कुछ become a leader and be part of that thing. कोई नहीं करता है. Nobody wants to be part of a success होती है ना, everybody wants to join. There's a huge line, but the struggle people want to stay away. So that's a coward behavior. I was like, don't do that.
सिद्धार्थ गुंडा
ऐसी
तेरे घर में खड़ा
नहीं, अभी तुम्हें मैं घर पे लेता नहीं,
तेरा घर है,
घर पे लेता नहीं हूँ। बोलना क्या चाह रहा है? तेरा क्या लेना देता? तेरा क्या लेना देता?
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हुआ रश्मि और सिद्धार्थ का झगड़ा।
अगर मेरे से मेरे पास
घटिया दिखा दिया ना तूने अपनी औकात।
तेरी औकात दिखा रहा हूँ।
तेरे घर की औरतें होती होंगी
मेरे घर की औरतें तेरे सी नहीं है। क्या बोली? क्या बोली?
सुना, मैंने चाय फेंकी तुझ पे क्योंकि तू उस लायक का कचरा है।
What is this? Disgusting.
I'm really sorry sir. ऐसी मतलब कैसी?
ऐसी कैसी? What is wrong with you?
I would like to ask you about Uttaran, because it got you so many awards, Gold Award, Apsara Award, Indian Telly Award, Indian Television Academy Award, recognizing you as the best actress, particularly in a negative role and in a drama series. So tell me your experience with Uttaran and with all this long list of awards.
I feel very nice. Of course, Uttaran is a very iconic character that I've played, Tapasya. And I think that character will be always close to my heart, because that was a very realistic character. It had a grey shade. It was not completely negative at all. But एक genre होता था कि negative or positive. No. There are grey people and there are dumb people in life. But we call it a positive people and negative people. No, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We all are grey. We live in the grey world. And Tapasya was that shade. So people could relate to her. You love me, you hate me, but you can't ignore me वाला हिसाब था उसका. So वो character as an actress करने में भी मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया था. And रही बात awards की, I'm feeling really blessed. But ये बात बहुत कम लोगों को पता है. पता नहीं मैं आपके इंटरव्यू में क्यों बोल रही हूँ, but I feel I am also proud of myself today. After talking to you, I'm realizing out of even if मतलब अगर मेरे घर में 10 award होंगे ना, तो out of 10 award there are 8 a critic award. So apparently they put the vote and people go and vote. If you get the maximum vote, then you get the award. So my critic award. It is not through the jury only. So yeah, I feel blessed. Actually, you made me realize I've never acknowledged this, that I'm feeling so good right now. Thank you so much to you.
The Gujarat Gaurav Samman, the Pride of Gujarat Award by the government of Gujarat. I think that's a big honor, getting state honor.
Yes. of course I feel very proud of myself. and मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ my by heart by soul I'm गुजराती. कोई गुजराती भी मिल जाता होगा उसे एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होती होगी जितनी मुझे एक्साइटमेंट होती है. हाय केम छे. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन आई गेट टू नो कि अरे वो मेरे ही कम्युनिटी का है. लाइक आई एम देसाई अनाविल ब्राह्मण एंड आवर लैंग्वेज इज वेरी सिमिलर टू सूरती लैंग्वेजेस. सो आई गेट वेरी एक्साइटेड. सूरती से तो वही नहीं हम तो देन वी स्टार्ट. So I feel very proud, but the moment I got, it took me time. मैंने बोला, what have I done in life so big that I'm receiving this award from the state of Gujarat? So, of course, what young age I've got a lot of things. Touch wood, people have been kind to me, but yeah, still भी आज भी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि I feel blessed and really grateful to all my audiences for giving me so much of love. And the kind of commitment that I have with my audience, they are actually मेरा इतना strong relationship ना मेरी audience के साथ, मेरी mom के साथ भी नहीं होगा जितना मेरी audience के साथ होगा. So yeah, actually we're really really grateful.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली उड़ा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली दीवाना हुआ कैसी ये दिल की लगी चुरा के दिल तेरा
Your short film Tamas and your web film A True Story of Tandoor, these were some of the films that were released on different platforms. So I must ask about the OTT and the web films that you have done.
Yeah, Tandoor was about a true story. Man killed his wife and उसको पका देता है अचानक से जाके. He didn't know how to dispose the body, so he owns the hotel and then he'll go and suddenly Tandoor करेगा उसको. So it was a very bad, brutal. I felt very bad, and she was a very intelligent woman when I got to know. Oh, I was reading about it. I was very young when this happened. I think in 70s or early 80s. So, but while playing it I was against Tanuj Burwani. Tanuj is a very good actor. It was a good experience, little थोड़ा सा off हो जाता है when you playing such character. And Tamas was during a COVID baby. It was good. मेरे friend को हम लोग ने ऐसे ही बात की. It was all about Hindu and Musliman. I was a Musliman girl and there was a Hindu boy who was stuck in the COVID. And during the COVID, what happened? Everybody was in the situation. So you can only help each other. That time, money was not in power. What was more powerful is human and human support. People needed, human needed a human. Even the technology couldn't even help after a certain point. Because you cannot, there's a huge gap between a technology and a human, which I realized during the COVID and after the COVID. कि life sort तो कर दिया है, but it has also made our life very complicated. We are not supporting ourselves क्योंकि I saw a kids doesn't even remember their parents' digits. उनको उनके नंबर, उनके मोबाइल नंबर भी याद करवाने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है, because everything is technology corrected. तो उसके ऊपर से one of my friend who's playing and shooting and directing and writing, so like Rashmi करेगी, this is how Tamas happened, and people liked it. It was about Hindu Muslim girl जहाँ एक अटक जाते हैं, and how they are helping each other, and you know the kind of a particular mindset they had कि हिंदू लोग मुसलमान के पास नहीं, मुसलमान हिंदू के पास. So it's like, no, it's a humanity we need to believe in and we need to support each other. So पता नहीं था इतना अच्छा चलेगा. उसका गाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अगर आपने नहीं सुना होगा तो प्लीज सुनना.
तना तेरे ना तुझ बिन जियूं मैं जियूं कैसे साजना मेरी जान तुझ बिन जियूं मैं जियूं कैसे साजना मेरी जान तेरा हूँ मैं होठों पे बस तेरा ही नाम मंजिल है तू तू ही है मेरा हर मकाम मेरे मौला तू तू रहीम तू मेरे मौला तू तू करीम तू मेरे मौला तू तू रहीम तू मेरे मौला मेरे मौला तू तू रहीम तू मेरे मौला तू तू करीम तू मेरे मौला तू तू रहीम तू मेरे मौला
साइना,
तुम तो हिंदू हो ना?
किसने कहा?
तुम्हारे यहाँ रोज सुबह आरती होती है, तुम लोग व्रत का खाना बनाते हो, तो ऑफ कोर्स.
मेरी माँ हिंदू है, सुन नहीं सकती. अबू मुस्लिम थे. हमारे घर पे आरती भी होती है और नमाज भी अदा करते हैं, व्रत भी रखते हैं और रोजे भी.
हाँ हाँ होता होगा, पर हमारे यहाँ ऐसा.
हमारे यहाँ? वैसे कहाँ है तुम्हारा ये यहाँ? ओह, जहाँ काम वाली को जरूरत के हिसाब से रखते हैं और निकालते हैं, उसकी गरीबी और मजबूरी को मजहब से जोड़ देते हैं. या फिर वहाँ जहाँ जरूरत पड़ने पर सबसे पहले मदद का फोन तो अपने दोस्त आदिल को करते हैं और फिर बड़ी ही बेशर्मी के साथ मजहब के नाम पर उसके मजे भी ले लेते हैं. या फिर वहाँ जहाँ शहरों के नाम से ये डिसाइड किया जाता है कि वहाँ हिंदू रहते हैं या मुसलमान. For your information, 70% पॉपुलेशन अलीगढ़ में हिंदुओं की है.
मेरा एक और गाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जो होली का गाना है, बिरज में झूम, प्लीज वो भी सुनिएगा, यू विल लाइक इट.
OTT में आपने एक और रिसेंटली काफी हिट फिल्म दी है, ममता ने नहीं समझाए, हिसाब बराबर.
हिसाब बराबर is on Z5. It was with R Madhavan sir and I was playing a supportive. तो कॉमेडी है, पूरी फिल्म सीरियस है, लेकिन आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज क्रिएटिंग अ लाइटनेस. देखिएगा आप, आपको देखकर अच्छा लगेगा. इट वाज अ गुड शिफ्ट इन माय करियर. आई रियलाइज्ड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आफ्टर दैट एंड आई माइनस आल्सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माय फ्रॉम माय लाइफ कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए, डिस्कार्ड इट. सो इट वाज वन ऑफ अ वेरी क्लोज प्रोजेक्ट जो मैंने लास्ट 5 years में किया है. मॉम तो नहीं समझाई was also very 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 close to my heart because this film is all about a mother. Because the title itself is Mom, You Will Not Understand. There's a family who's London based and the struggle of their community and the culture and everything, because the kids are London based and the parents have shifted. So वो जो gap है, she's just trying to tell them that you should know who you are, you should know your roots, but the kind of the way we take our parents for granted at the end of dad you won't understand, mom you won't understand, oh this is not your cup of tea, एक टाइम के बाद हो जाता है. So it is about her mother's journey and second half पे वो ना you can rent a mom. Yeah, I'm not lying. The show is the film is about that. So she उसका बेटा ही एक ऐप बनाता है and there is a she's trying her level best to make him understand, but वो होता नहीं है, वो गैप इतना बढ़ जाता है. So she only puts it like anybody who needs a service for mother, I am please connect. And इसको 3 बच्चे मिल भी जाते हैं. And then she shifts, and then she realizes, and the family also understands, and then there is the journey of a mother, how she makes them realize that okay, we tell you for your good, but if you don't understand, that doesn't mean that we'll stop telling you. We are going to be there. So this is how the film actually happened. Please देखिएगा, you like it. It's on Shimaro Me.
I'm pretty excited now.
Yeah,
storyline इतना अच्छा है.
And also, you will like it.
आज खेलेंगे हो रे तन मन से सावरे के संग जाए खो तीरज में मीठी मीठी टकरार है, रंगों की बौछार है, मीठी मीठी टकरार है, रंगों की बौछार है, रंग में मची है धूम, पीरज में झूम झूम झूम, पीरज में झूम, पीरज में झूम झूम झूम, पीरज में झूम. સર્વત્ર પૂજતે આ ભાષા છે સંસ્કૃતિની, અને સંસ્કૃતિ આપણા દેશની. હમણાં તારું ક્લબિંગ વધી ગયું છે બેટા, અને તારું ઇન્ટરફિયરન્સ ફન. મોમ એન્ડ પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ ટ્રાય ટુ પુટ યોર ટિપિકલ ફિલોસોફી ઓન મી. આઈ હેવ માય ઓન લાઈફ, આઈ હેવ માય ઓન રૂલ. તને નહીં સમજાય. કબીર અને મેરી શું કરે છે એની ખબર જ નથી પડતી.
આજકા આપણે બાળકોને ફક્ત પાંખો આપી શકીએ છીએ. કઈ ડાળ પર બેસવું કે ખુલ્લા આકાશમાં ઉડવું એ એમણે જ નક્કી કરવાનું હોય છે.
આકાશમાં ઊંચે ઉડ્યા પછી પક્ષી પાછો ડાળ પર જ આવે છે ને કુણાલ?
સાથે મળીને રહેશું અમે, સાથે મળીને કહેશું અમે કે સ્નેહના રંગમાં રંગબેરંગી અમે.
You were a member of the winning team of Masakali Girls in season 2 of the dance reality television show.
Sorry, I like to flaunt it like that.
Yes, you were a winner of जरा नच के दिखा. तो आपके जो डांस लेसन्स रहे और इस शो के लिए जो आपने खास तैयारी की एज मसकली गर्ल्स टीम, कुछ बताएं.
That was my first dancing reality show, so मुझे ऐसे लगता है मैं अच्छी डांसर हूँ, इसीलिए मैं अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत मैं एक्टिंग कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा मुझे पहले से ही लगता था. अब थिएटर करने के बाद थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया है मेरा कि नहीं मैं अच्छा कर सकती हूँ.
मिसेस मारा ऑनलाइन 6 में भी कुछ डांस स्टेप्स हैं.
Yeah, please, you must come and watch it. And watching it live, you watching me live, you will enjoy it 1000%. I love it. और मुझे ऐसे बोलना भी अच्छा लगता है. But yeah, ये शो ने मुझे मैं बहुत रॉ थी. मुझे डांस बेसिक आता था, लेकिन इसने मुझे पॉलिश किया. एंड इट वाज फन, यू नो, इट वाज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, बॉयज ग्रुप एंड गर्ल्स ग्रुप. तो वो टग ऑफ वॉर किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता. मैंने तो बहुत इंजॉय किया था.
घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपाते चली थी फंसी गोरी जाने के खेत में, कोई चोरी जाने के खेत में. पहले तो जुल्मी ने टुकड़ी खलाई, फिर उसने चुपके से उंगली दबाई. चोरा चोरी जाने के खेत में, कोई चोरी जाने के खेत में. नारे नारे नन्नारे 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 नन्नारे.
बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है, कोसा है, बारिश का बोसा है। जल 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 बहता जल।
Coming to the sports team that you have owned, you've been a brand ambassador of Binny's Brigade at the Tennis Premier League in October 2018. So, how did you get associated with tennis?
So this Tennis Premier League, the entire league is owned by my brother. My brother is the owner. So he started with the face of Aishwarya Rai. So Aishwarya Rai and Leandro. So Leandro and he's the face of that league. And the first year, the main female face was the Aishwarya ma'am, and we were the face of the team. So I was one of the team's face, and then they entirely shifted on the sports. So it was a very good experience that I had when I tennis सीखा, and then I realized I like such games and all. So I used to play, थोड़ा बहुत खेलते कूदती रहती, but I was more into dancing. But because of tennis, now I play squash and tennis also. Wow. So वो कहते हैं ना, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, पर पहले क्यों नहीं आए वाला हिसाब होता था. तो yeah, because of that, thanks to my brother, he started the league and I realized that कि अरे मैं तो ये भी कर सकती हूँ. Yeah, but it's a very good fun sport. यहाँ तो इसको बहुत प्रोफेशनली लेते हैं. Now it's in India also. It's picking it up. थोड़ा और बहुत अच्छा हो गया, and it's almost 5 years now. He's doing really good.
Hey guys, I'm Rashmi Desai and I'm really happy and excited to announce that I'm going to be part of Tennis Premier League at Celebration Sports Club Lokhandwala, co-powered by Yonex Sunrise in association with MSLTA. So guys, register yourself right now on tplsports.in so you get a chance to play for my team.
Tell me about your association with the singer Rahul Vaidya.
My association, he's a darling friend. मेरा कोई ऐसा मतलब हाँ, we did 2 videos together and both are hit songs. उन्होंने ही गाए हैं and he's a fabulous singer of course. तो ऐसे दोस्त हमारे जैसे सिंगर होते हैं ना, जैसे राहुल वैद्य हो गए, नेहा भसीन हो गई, तो मैं बहुत अपने आप को लकी मानती हूँ. मुझे ऐसे लगता है भगवान ने कुछ तो अच्छा ही काम किया होगा जो ऐसे दोस्त दे दिए हो. सो आई थिंक आई डोंट नो आपने हमारे गाने सुने कि नहीं, लेकिन सुनिएगा. इवन विथ नेहा भसीन आई हैव अ वेरी गुड नंबर कॉल्ड परवा. प्लीज लिसन टू दैट सॉन्ग, यू विल लव इट.
नजर मेरी मोहब्बत को लगी किसकी खुदा जाने, है रास्ते धुआं धुआं और तुम पास आने की बात करते हो. आँख है भरी भरी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो.
So you've done so many soaps, you have a long journey. You have been the face of Colors, and you've done so many reality shows and then also movies. So any memory from any of the behind the scenes work that you would like to highlight for our viewers?
मेरी हर किरदार की जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रही है, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड, आई लव माई जॉब. मेरे होमवर्क बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहते थे, एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली मुझे को एक्टर्स बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं. बिकॉज one person is performing and the other one is not able to give back, it will not get noticed then, it will just come and go. मैंने ऐसे भी कैरेक्टर किए हैं जो नोटिसेबल नहीं हुए हैं. Like I did one show on Sony before Uttaran, Meher, I have played doctor. It didn't get noticed. And show also didn't work well. So वो बंद हो गया था थोड़े टाइम बाद. But Uttaran is the main show where I got my name, fame and love from the audience mainly. उसके बाद I did a lot of reality shows and the third show was दिल से दिल तक. उससे ज़्यादा मैंने कोई शो नहीं किया है. मैं बहुत थोड़ा पिकी हूँ, मन करता है तो काम करती हूँ, वरना नहीं करती हूँ, गायब हो जाती हूँ. और इट्स ओके, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, करो तो अच्छा करो, वरना डोंट डू इट.
आजकल तो दीपिका पादुकोण ने भी 8 आवर कॉन्सेप्ट चलाया हुआ है,
वो उन्होंने अभी किया हुआ है क्योंकि उनकी बेबी हो गई। मैं तब से 9 hours टेक मी, यू डोंट वांट टू टेक, इट्स ओके, आई विल ओनली वर्क फॉर 9 hours क्योंकि इट्स वेरी हेक्टिक, फिल्मों में आपको ब्रेक मिल जाता है, टेलीविजन में आपको मिलता नहीं है। टेलीविजन इज मोर डिफिकल्ट देन द फिल्म। फिल्मों में क्या आपको प्रेप के लिए भी टाइम मिलेगा, आपको अपने लिए भी टाइम मिलेगा, बॉडी बनाने के लिए टाइम मिलेगा। In 1 week you're making one entire film and you cannot go out of your character and the kind of commitment that you have with your audience that फिल्मों में नहीं होता। फिल्मों में आपको एक फिल्म किया, प्रोजेक्ट किया, then you have a choice to take a sabbatical and all, मतलब it's 8 months of process and then हमारे टेलीविजन चलता है 3-3, 8-8 साल तक। So it is a very difficult job to do it। और आप अपने घर में बैठ के देखते हो तो आपके घर में अनुपमा आती है तो वो आप अनुपमा को देखने के लिए बैठ जाते हो, तपस्या को देखने के लिए बैठ जाते हो। In one episode, if you don't see Tapasya, if you don't see Anupama, you will not watch the show. So it's equal commitment that you have with your audience. तो टाइम तो लगता है भाई, तो 9 घंटे काम करने का, फिर दिमाग को आराम करने का, बहुत क्लियर रखने का।
Perfect. So, what's your final word to all the viewers of Yo India TV who are loving Rashmi Desai being present in the Bay Area for Mrs. Mara Online Che?
Next time I'll visit, I'll make sure that I'll get to see the Bay Area, and I hope whoever is seeing my show उनको मज़ा आया होगा, और जो कल आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए most welcome, and I hope you guys enjoy. Every second is important। अमेरिका में तो होता है ना कि मंडे टू फ्राइडे काम करो और वीकेंड पे आराम करो, जो भी मिलता नहीं है बड़े होने के बाद, तो आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट विद यू। सो आई होप you will enjoy our show. Those 3 hours or maybe 5 hours that you spend with your loved ones should be memorable.
Thank you so much, Rashmi. Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
जे सुन दी लोकां दी फिर गल्लां पढ़ के बह जांदी।